Hey friends, if you encounter error 80090030 on your Microsoft Outlook on any of the applications, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. So it has been explained on the Microsoft Answers forum and hundreds of people have confirmed that it works. Now here's what you have to do. You need to open the registry editor, search for registry editor in the Windows search bar and open the registry editor window. Go to HKey current user, software, Microsoft Office 16.0 and common. Now, right click on common, select new key and name it identity. Okay, now in the right pane, you will have to name something called as enable ADAL. Right click, new, DO 32-bit entry, enable ADAL. Double click on it and change the value data to 1. Click on OK to save the settings. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.